welcome back to another unboxing PR packages, and 2 weeks pass pa lang naman ng February, and so far kakaunti pa lang yung PR packages na na-receive natin, but that's fine kasi mahaba-haba pa ang February. Feeling ko mas marami akong na-receive talagang PR package last month, which is yung January. First, itong Hexi cushion. This is a collaboration with Hexi, and meron siyang refill, meron na agad siyang refill and ito na yung cushion. Hindi ko pa ito nagagawa ng review, pero for sure pag in-upload ko na tong vlog na to, nagawan ko na to, kaya ililink ko na lang ulit sa description box lahat ng videos ko dito sa pag-unbox natin ng PR packages. Ito siya, and ito yung sponge niya, and yan, hindi ko pa nabubuksan talaga. This is my first ever cushion, that's why I'm so excited kasi finally nagka-cushion din ako. Next is itong from YesStyle. Ito naman napili ako sa review event. Isang box merong 5 pieces ulit na face mask. So I have a lot of face mask right now. Tapos naman yung dumating ngayon lang is ito ang dalawang face sample. Alam niyo ba, ilang beses din akong nag-wish na sana collab ko ang Ashley Shine. And Ashley Shine Multi-Tony Concealer Palette. This one is from Alisa Store Shop. Ito yung 18-in-1 makeup kit. First, we have here lip liner, eyeliner, eyelash curler, eyebrow pencil, mascara, blush, pressed powder, cute makeup sponge, foundation, eyeshadow. Ganda naman yung shade. 8 makeup brushes. So, bilangin natin. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 pieces. Nasa TikTok ko yung mga reviews. Okay. Hi guys. Another PR. We love PR. Akasha Tawas Niacinamide Face and Body Soap. 1, 2, 4. We got 4 soap. Hi! Package! Another package! Another PR. Let's open it. The Cosmetic Oil Control Matte Setting Powder. Hi, we got another package from South Korea. It's from Skin Food Carotene. It's a calming water pad. Alam mo yung toner pad? Parang ganon. Ang maganda kasi dito is ano to, plant-based, kaya super ganda, as in carrot, black sugar mask wash off. Sugar naman yung ingredients nito. Ito naman is black sugar perfect scrub foam. Sugar din to. Wow, diba? Naman is from United Kingdom. It's from Hamish UK. Hamish RX Retinol Bakutsol 1%. Oh, ang laki! Ito naman, Hamish AHA BHA 30% peeling serum. Wala. Ang taas, 30%. Tapos ito, yung Skintific, 12% lang. Tapos, meron ding hyaluronic acid, 2%. And multivitamin, 7% glow serum. So, ang lalaki ng bottle nila. Compare natin dito. Ang laki ng bottle ng Hamish. Thank you so much, Hamish and Skin Food Korea. Let's wait for more. Sana meron pa. was chosen, wait, Style Korean. I was chosen sa Style Korean. This is Axis Y Vegan Collagen Eye Serum. Eye serum siya. Okay, ganyan siya. So excited. Package from Therapathy PH. Ito na yung second collaboration ko sa kanila. Yung una kong collaboration is itong anti-bug and itch relief. Ito yung from agency to Therapathy. Pero ito direct na sa Therapathy. This product naman is perfume balm. Mabango naman siya this time. Kaso parang pang lalaki siya. Mabango siya. Kasi lalagay mo lang siya dito. Pretty. We got another package from Easton PH. Patapos na ang February and manifesting for March. Sana makasama pa ako sa mga March campaign. It's 6 pieces face mask sa isang box. And yee, I love it! Actually, kakatapos ko pa lang ang i-submit yung i-upload yung video ko sa Style Korean X Axis Y Eye Serum collaboration kasi bukas yung deadline, pero ngayon ako nag-upload kasi bukas i-release yung $1 lang sila, $1 lang siya sa stylekorean.com. And I was too early to tell, parang manifesting for more campaigns this March. And more sales, para more sales, more collabs. Hi guys, included din pala sa PR ko nung February na natanggap ko is itong Kitly small bag. Super liit lang niya, super ganda din, as in super convenient, and marami ka ring malalagay dito. Pero this is super bagay sa mga pamangkin mong babae or anak mong babae, ganun. Mga pang babies na mahilig gumala or humawak-hawak ng mga kung ano-ano sa kamay. And also itong suklay na to, this is really good, lalo na kapag gusto mong i-achieve yung clean girl look mo, as in super ganda niya, lalo na to. Ito yung ginagamit ko most of the time para ma-achieve ang clean look, which is bagay naman sa akin. So nice lang. So ayun.